Let's explore the land frozen in time. The land shaped by ancient volcanic eruptions and the forces of nature. Home to fairy chimneys, cave dwellings, and hidden cities. It's a place of history and wonder. The perfect backdrop of our unforgettable girl trip.
Welcome to Cappadocia.
In this video, we'll take you through 72-hour adventure. We'll give you the best activities to do, from hidden gems, hot air balloon rides, and even ski lessons. This girl trip is packed with laughter, surprises, and stunning views. Get ready to explore, taste, and create memories with us. There are many ways to reach Cappadocia, but we choose a national flight from Istanbul to Kayseri Airport, which is an hour away from Gureme. And the shuttle normally costs around 10 euros per person one way. However, for our trip, we opted for a more convenient experience, so we hired a personal driver and a local tour guide for our entire stay, making our journey even smoother and more enriching. And yes, we stayed in a cave hotel. Our hotel name is Imperial Cave Hotel, and it was a truly unique experience. Spending the night in a beautiful arranged cave room felt like stepping back in time. So yes, we enjoyed it. We struggled with the toilet, but we enjoyed it as well. And we wrapped up our first night in Gureme, gathered around a traditional Turkish sofra, we took our time debating what to eat, and finally indulged in a delicious local specialty, truly savoring the flavors of Gureme. We highly recommend this place. Customer service is incredibly friendly, making our dinner experience even more enjoyable. It is 6:30 a.m. We are dressed and ready, making now our way for our friend's birthday surprise. She has no idea what is coming.
We met with Iman, Meryem, and the other Iman.
Yes. My name?
She's Iman.
I'm Iman.
You're Iman.
She's just.
I'm six. I'm not sure.
See?
Meryem is okay. The other Iman is okay.
Even my iPhone didn't recognize me. You told me yesterday when I showed you the photo.
She's
That looks similar.
Okay.
احنا موجودين باش نعمل ان شوتينغ في كابادوس. دي لا بتيت سوربريز بور نوشا.
Soon, the sky will be covered with the hot air balloons. The sunrise, the colors, the moment, it's going to be picture perfect.
Oh.
What do you think?
It's amazing.
Yes. It's breathtaking.
Back at the hotel, very blessed, and now we are recharging with a well-deserved breakfast before heading straight to our next adventure. And yes, you guessed right, we are going to have skiing lessons at Erciyes ski stations.
First experience.
It is just 1/2 an hour by car from Gureme. We had half a day with 2 private instructors, full ski equipment rental, 10 rides on the magic carpet lifts, and 2 trips on the cable car. All of that for just 30 euro per person. Let's hit the slopes! Right after our ski lesson, on our way back to the hotel, we made a quick stop at this super chic restaurant in Erciyes. It's famous for one of the best traditional Turkish specialties, Iskender. The Iskender is made with deliciously tender mutton meat, soaked in rich tomato sauce, layered over traditional bread, and topped with melted butter. A true masterpiece. We were so exhausted and starving, but trust me, it was absolutely delicious. If you ever get the chance to visit, we highly recommend this place.
خرجت من الحمام تفوت شدوها للتيح التاني شو ما بالنا في الوسط شو ما بالنا في الوسط ياسر حلو.
And as always, we ended up singing the whole way back, even though we were super tired, because for us, it's all about enjoying the present moment and creating happy memories. The adventure is far from over. There's still so much to share with you. Our Cappadocia trip is going to be a full video series with each episode covering one day and all the amazing activities that you can do. That way, you will get a realistic and detailed guide to help plan your own adventure in this fairy tale destination. So stay tuned and get ready for more unforgettable moments. See you in the next one!